How to log into Zoho CRM app. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Zoho CRM app. After you are in the app, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to log into your Zoho CRM accounts, you must have already created your account before. If you haven't, you can easily sign up for a new account over here. And once you create your account, you need to enter the same login credentials in order to sign into your account. So if you have created your account using the Google, you can tap on the sign in with Google option, or else tap on the sign in button. Now you need to enter your login credentials, enter your email address or your phone number. After that, enter your password for your account. Now you need to wait for a few moments. And that's it, you will be now logged into your account easily. So that's a very simple process to log into your Zoho CRM account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.